Hi guys, I am Hitesh and today I'm here with this product which is Zextra. Now what this product will do for you and what problems you will solve just because of this. This is completely a marketplace, okay, digital marketplace you can see, and you can also see virtual office it is, okay, because if you are local business owner, you are from any type of digital business owner, or you are looking to start any business, okay, something like that, so it will do all these works for you which will useful or too much important in your any business, okay. So just because of this you can create so many good appearance websites, pages, landing pages. You don't need to go for Zoom meetings if you are doing any type of the webinars, for example, providing services, selling services. So if you want to do all these things, so you don't need to go for StreamYard, for Zoom, for this and that type of the tools where you have to pay something. Okay, so all these tools are available inside this. Okay, I will show you because I have the member access area where it is. Let me show you. This is member access area. I will show you which tools will work for you. You can see here, which is Vidmob. So this is completely alternative, great alternative of Zoom call. So from here you can just conduct unlimited webinars and all, like something like that. You can start selling some services directly inside this. So this is the complete virtual office, you can say. Okay, this will be virtual office of your business. Any type of business you will start from here, local business, digital business, even if you want to start from scratch, you can just go ahead with this. Okay, so I mentioned all the information on this page, you can see here. And after getting the information from this page, you will able to understand what you are going to get in this product completely. Any of the button, any yellow button on this page, when you will click on that, you will redirect here, and here you will get more in-depth details and information all about this product. Okay, so you can just see this is marketplace builder, digital marketplace. So means you don't need to go ahead from for this product on other places, for their product for other places and something like that. You have to just you have to just control all these things from single dashboard, okay, from single virtual office. So this all mentions, this all informations are mentioned here. This is too much long page, you can see. Okay, it will go too much deep, you can see here, and you can just understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so just back again here, and just we are going to start this dashboard. So I hope you got my point, what it will do for you. So I will show you each and everything. Okay, after watching this complete dashboard access, you will be more, you will get more details and understand things inside this. So this is dashboard. This is a new product. You can go ahead with physical product, especially digital product you can sell. And you can go for e-commerce product also. You can sell services also. You can create complete virtual office. Okay, for example, if you want to start any business, so what things you will need in starting? Okay, some websites, page, landing page, webinars, okay, to take some webinars, to connect your customers, to connect your staff. Okay, you can just maintain your staff also from here. You can control your staff also from here. Some pop-up notifications, actually all needed tools and things you will get directly inside this. That is why I'm telling you this is virtual office. So guys, here you can see some documentation videos from the blog. You can just create blogs also. So I will show you all these things. Okay, so here when you will come at the bottom, you will see here, welcome to your dashboard. It's okay. Here you will get learnings. Okay, so here are some tutorials. You can just go inside this and you will be able to take all knowledge inside this, okay, about this complete dashboard. Okay, where to use, how to use, what is the use of each buttons and all, something like that you will learn directly inside this. So this is tutorials, you can see here. See completely, let's see, API keys. Okay, API keys is type integration. It means you can just collect payment directly here. Okay, and directly after collecting payments, you can directly get your amount in your bank. Okay, you don't need to go for third party like PayPal or something like that, because if you have Stripe integration, you can use PayPal also. You can just integrate that also, but you will directly get money just by using this tool into your bank. Okay, so you can see some more options. See, so much options are available. Okay, I didn't disclose each and every features because it will be too much long. This is not a small product, guys. This is not a small tool. Okay, so I told you each and everything which will be needed to run or control the business, everything you will get inside this. Okay, so manage blog post, custom navigation, discount coupons. See, manage users means if you have any users, maybe your staff or maybe your customers also. Okay, everything you will be able to control from inside. Okay, notification, blog, API, track sales, demo video, raise a ticket, each and everything, guys. Okay, you are going to learn inside this. Now come back on this dashboard. These are some product you can see which you are already going to get as a bonus. So what is the meaning of this? You can just access this product directly from here. Okay, where how you will get this product in this list? Okay, you can just add new product also, and some pre-built product you are going to get. So when you will go to this button, you will able to add all this in the list. Okay, and you can go for your own digital product. Okay, if you have any reseller right of any digital product, you can start selling that also. And if you have another type of any product, everything you will be able to add from here. Okay, so these are some pre-built product for you. So you are going to get this as a gift. So you can just access product directly. Each and every product out of this, you can see each and every product have their own dashboard. Okay, so see, this is dashboard. See, dashboard, seller dashboard means you are seller. Okay, and you can just put someone, you can just keep someone. I'm talking about staff, your staff. You can keep someone to control your all these things. So also you can do that directly from inside this. Okay, so I will just do this in front of you also. Before that, I'm just going to show you documentation. Here you will see documentation options. Here again you will see documentation options. Okay, so what inside the documentation you are going to get? I'm just clicking on this and let's see what will come. So just wait for this. So you can see some options, some settings. See all these settings, API keys, Stripe integration. You have to do Stripe integration directly from here to collect the payments. Okay, so if you are selling something, for example, services you are selling, for example, digital product you are selling. Okay, any type of the member access area, any type of the course, you can do that also from inside this. You can selling some, for example, you are selling some ebooks, so you will connect payment by using this one. Okay, guys. So if you want to go for another, you can just put API key and you will be able to connect that also. For example, PayPal. Okay, something like that. So features. So if you will click on this, so you can just see here, manage custom navigation, discount coupon, this, blah, 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 everything, product plans, manage custom pages. We will go through each and everything in short. Okay, you will get white label products inside your library. Okay, this is the main gift. Configure your first product, each and everything. Okay, we will do that also. Okay, as per my knowledge, I will show you each and everything later. You can just go ahead for your demo video. Not for demo video, tutorials are there for helping you. Okay, so no worry about that. See, here are the video tutorial. You can just redirect on another page and you will start taking knowledge. Okay, so here you will get go down and down, each and everything is ready to work with you. Okay, guys, so let's get start and just create and configure your first product. So I'm just closing this one right now because we have to configure some other options also. Videos, tutorials. Okay, this is for that. Blogs, you can create your own blog, your application blog. I will show you this. So I'm just going to create a new product. I'm just clicking on this. You can see it's done. So let just give it a time. So you can just remove this from dashboard. Okay, these three products you already watched in the list before. Okay, so these products you are going to get. So this is for adding products, digital products or services also. Okay, with the help of this Everzip, you will be able to add your digital products, whatever it may be. Second one, your services you can add. Okay, if you want to sell your service, payment integration already available inside your dashboard, so you can just collect payment and you can start selling your things. Okay, any digital products or services. Page builder, it is something like landing pages, so you don't have to go with any type of the landing page payments option and something like that. It will create websites also. You can just see here, landing pages, websites to sell the products online, all these things. Okay, and this is the great alternative of Zoom meeting. Okay, so you can just take webinars, unlimited webinars directly from this. Okay, so this is for marketers. You can go for high tickets also, because in high ticket, people generally need to talk with the people. People generally need to take webinars, okay, for the audience, for the customer, something like that. So and just by this you can just create so much applications. Okay, web application, websites. It convert any website in or web into a desktop application, so you can just provide application to your members, to your customers. Okay, whatever. Okay, you can just imagine what type of the business you can start from here directly. Just shorten your link, okay, to branding you, and some more HQ webinars, all these things, guys. Too much options we are going to get inside this. You can see two option you will get inside this extra. Okay, two option means two type of this product are available for you. One will be front end, second will be OTO one, second one will be each and everything, second one will be for each and everything unlimited. Okay guys, and in first one which is front end, okay, you will get some limits in that. Okay, so that is the difference between front end and OTO one. I already just discussed with you. So let's go and start something new. So guys, this is already add product from Zextra library. Okay, you already watched all these things, so you can just add whatever. For example, I want to add this app, so I'm just going to add. I will just click on this and it will be added. So just give it a time. Successfully it's added, you can see, and you can also remove directly. Okay, it will show you at your dashboard. Okay, you can just see here. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this and let me show you whether it is working or not. So here it is, you can see. Okay, this is here. Then you can just access the product directly, but before that I have to finish this one with you. So I'm just going to finish this before, and later we will go ahead with this. So here are already pre-made products, you can see. Now here, this is the second option, you can see, add my own custom products. So you will click on this. You can just provide some services also. As I already told you, product name is content Artemis, for example. Okay, if you are selling something like content making tool, for example. Okay, so I'm just selling this content making tool for you. Okay, and just you can go ahead, just give me time. Making, okay, something like that tool for you. And product category is, this is digital marketing. This is business. I don't have this because this is not too much important. Just leaving this product URL. For example, this is my page, for example. So I'm just going to, actually I'm just going to give you example. Okay, you don't have to do all these things. Just for example, I'm showing you. Okay, directly you can do all these things inside. Okay, but right now I'm just showing you, this is any type of the already created things. And support email if you want to put. Okay, so someone can contact you if they have any problem, and your support URL page, something like contact form and all these things. Okay, you will see all these things inside this. Okay, if you will, when you will become master inside this, okay, you will know each and everything. I'm just doing all these things randomly. Okay, you don't have to go outside to put all these things. You have to create page inside directly in this dashboard, and you have to put that link here. Okay, you will create all the support URL directly inside this dashboard, and you will put that, okay, here directly. So I'm just going to submit here, you can see. And it's done, guys. Okay, so where I will see in the dashboard. So that's how you will create your own custom products. So let me show you on the dashboard, and later we will go ahead with another products. Okay, so here you can just see what was the name. I'm just losing the name. What was that? So no worry, you will be able to see in some another dashboard also. So I'm just trying this one. I don't have any type of the knowledge before. For example, if I go again, okay, just for example, let's see what will happen once more, and later we will go ahead with another one. Okay, so software as a service product type, product name is, okay, content Artemis was product name. So I'm just putting something, whatever, business, choosing file. Okay, so let me choose the file so it will be easy to recognize. Okay, whether where we will see it, I don't know, but it will be okay for us to recognize. So I'm just choosing this Ferrari pick and just opening this one, and I think now it's okay. So here it is, product name, here it is. Okay, so you can now add to the dashboard. Other, if you don't want to do this, so you can just leave this. Okay, so I'm not going to add to dashboard. So for example, if you want to add, so I will just click on this, and I think it will be done. And just see, it will be done. So just go to the dashboard, and let's see, and something, that's how you have to do all these things in this area. Okay guys, so 5 products. Okay, this one is mine, content artemis. I didn't put any logo. Okay, you can just put your own fave icon. These are pre-built products, that's why these fave icons are pre-built. You can go ahead with your own brand. Okay, you can just put your own logo there. Okay, and that's how you will start running your business. Okay, from this dashboard. Okay, your any customer will never know from where you are controlling all these things. Okay, so don't you think this type of logo and this type of logo will go ahead in your customer, in front of your customer? No guys. Okay, you will just do, you can just do all, you can just put your own logo. Okay, so I'm not putting right now because I don't have any type of logo right now, so I'm just leaving this now, and later I will just show you some more this pre-built options, what you can, how you can play around with this. So I add new products, you are already okay with this, and you can just go ahead some settings, dashboard, all options are available here. And in dashboard you are already going to attach all these things, and actually too much to show you guys. Okay, too much to show you, but it will take too much time, more than 1 hour, so I'm just showing you overview. So this is for products. Okay, EverZP. So I'm just going to access this one. So first of all, I'm just going to access the product. Later we will go for dashboard access. Okay, where you can see here, see access seller dashboard. Okay guys, so we will go for that after this one. So first one, we will see what is inside this. So right now I don't have this HQ suit and all these things. So when you will go for this product, you will get all these options, you will not face this type of the problem. Okay, I'm just showing you the overview, and this is basic version. Okay, before launching completely, this is the basic version, so it maybe it will not accept my things, my credentials, so I'm just leaving this one right now. But it's just, you can see this is best product for marketers, so it will create products. Okay, for you, something I told, I shown you here, something like this type of option you will see inside. Okay, and now for example, just go for access seller dashboard. So I'm just clicking on this one, and let's see what will come inside this. So guys, this is, now you can just play around with this. Now here will be your subdomain guys. Okay, so for example, you will, okay, let me put something extra, look like good. Okay, just for example. Okay, so I'm done from my product description. Product name is EverZP. Product type is this. Okay, education. Okay, just choosing file. For example, this is the logo. You can see change. Okay, you can just change that. So I'm just choosing this one, Ferrari car, and here is the logo, guys. Okay, so you can put your own logo. Okay, which I already talking about before. So which I was talking about before, about this logo, fave icon, something like that. So you can just put your own logo if you are doing your own business. Okay, so that's how you are going to get all options. Okay, you can play around, you have to just play around with this, you have to set. So it will be your product URL guys, you have to just put this. Okay, or you can just do, this is also, this is product subdomain, you can just play around with this, and later you will be able to do all these things. You can just submit from here. And for example, where is this, where it is here, so I'm just putting this on another window. Let me show how it will look like. So I'm just clicking on this, and if there is available, so it will come in front of us, and if there is nothing inside that, so it will come as a blank in front of us, something like this. Okay, so let me just give it a time, because it will take time, so we can just see something more inside that. Okay, so no worry inside this. So I'm just submitting this information right now, because I put some information randomly, something like photo or this type of product description. So when it will be update, so I can just see it is going to save or not. It's saved, I think. So wait. You are countering following product. This is already white label product, guys. I should not do this, but no worry. Okay, see guys. Okay, that's how you will see. So that's how your website will look like if you go with EverZP. Okay, actually I did some little bit interfere in that. So these options you can just put. Okay, this option, if you want, you can just remove, and here you can just put your call to action button. You can just put this type of buttons. So I'm just going to refresh this one, because I want to see some changes I made, so whether I'm able to see that changes or not. So let me show you. and then later we will go ahead with another one. Okay, yes, see, this is my Ferrari logo, you can see, which I put. Okay, and some information where I can see my, actually I put some random information. These are some pre-built things guys for you, and this monthly yearly option is not for you guys. Okay, for example, if you are selling some services to your customers, so you can put your own price. Okay, this will be, for example, this is monthly, this is monthly, in will your customer will get some more options, something like this. And in this plan your customer will get some this type of the option. You can put some this type of the monthly or lifetime payment option also in front of your customer. So this type of things you can just play around inside that. In future you can do, actually you need some mastery inside this. Okay guys, I'm not master, I'm just showing you from normal level. Okay guys, so that's how your website will look like. Okay, you can just imagine guys how your website will look like. Okay, I just play around with logo, you can see here. Okay, if I'm just clicking on this, so let's see what will come in front of us. So same thing is coming, same thing is coming. So that's how you can just put your product. Okay, something like this. Okay, this is everything is for example guys. Okay, so let's leave it guys. Okay, because it's taking too much time, we should go ahead right now. So I'm just get back on this. So I'm just removing this one because this is pre-made thing. So you can just leave it. Okay, as it is. So if I left anything else, okay, everything is okay. So I'm just leaving this one and I'm just going to submit because this is something white label product. Okay, I should not do any changes inside this, otherwise the working will be failed. Set home page, see guys, custom page, manage navigation, manage post, which I already shown you here. I closed that. You have to just manage all these things from here. Okay, so if you click from here, you can just change some headers and something like that. Okay, you can just put some custom pages directly. You can see here something like this. And for this is manage plans. See, manage plans, which I shown you already. Actually, I closed that. Okay, some plans, 3 payment options, something like that. So you can put some coupons also. That's how you will be able to provide all facility to your customer. Okay, guys, that's how you will run all the businesses. Okay, for your product, for your digital product, your physical product also. Okay, your local business also. You can just add new menu. Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it will take too much time, guys. We have to go ahead also. So I'm just leaving this one right now. You can just come back, come back. I'm just going back again. So because too much options are available, I'm just giving you overview. Okay. And later you can just understand what this product can do for you. Okay, guys. Okay. I think we came too much ahead. So I think I should go directly in dashboard because it will take too much time. So back again in the dashboard. Okay, so that's how you have to go ahead with all these things. This is page builder. You can just go ahead directly and you can just do that also. So if you want, you can just access the product. You can just go inside the dashboard and you can make some changes also. This is for webinars. Okay, guys. So for example, okay, let me show you this one because it will take too much time, but no worry. This is last and later we will go with some other options. Okay, some blog options, something like that. Okay, again, this is not getting. Okay, you have to put this your purchase email ID and password, whatever. Okay, which you will get after purchase, and later you will be able to access this. Okay, so this is seller dashboard. Let's see what options I'm getting inside that. So same thing, guys. Okay, same options you are going to get inside this. So this will be your page builder. So I'm not going much deeper with this. I'm just going to again on dashboard. Okay, I'm already inside this. Okay, see guys, I changed the icon for this EverZP in front of you. Now you can see this is the icon of this. So no worry guys, no worry. We should go ahead with this now. Right now, this is from the blog. Videos is not too much difficult thing. This is too much easy. Documentation, I already told you so much options and so much configuration you are going to get inside this. For that you need some tutorials guys. Okay, because I'm also not the pro, I'm not the perfect also, so you need some tutorials for that. Okay, I'm sorry for that because it will take too much time. I'm just trying to go ahead with this blog. So let's see, clicking on this and let's see what will come. So some blogs you can see directly here. You can just configure that also. You can just create your own blog also. You can just create your own blog, and let me show you where I will get this option. First of all, I'm just, this is for this your or our awesome blog. This is already pre-made. Okay, that's how your blog will look like when you will done your blog for with your website. Okay, according to your product. So just let me show you how we can do that. So I'm just going back on the dashboard, and later I will just go into the documentation, because everything you will be able to do from inside this. Okay, so these are the features. Features. Setting is normal things. I'm not going with that. These two both options are too much easy. So these are some too much in-depth things, guys. Okay, so you can just sell your services also. Each and everything is available here for configuration. Okay, for management. So here is blog post. So I'm going for this one right now, and later you can just relate all these things after taking knowledge for this one from here. So what type of the things? Okay, select the JPG. Okay, it is going to guide for you. Okay, how you can do all these things and something like that. So log into your profile, click on access seller dashboard on the product. So product is, I think this is manage blog post, something like that. So you have to follow all these things, guys. Okay, so here you are going to get pictorial representation, because without that, it will be too much difficult for you guys. Okay, something like this. See, EverZP, this is the access the seller dashboard, which I already shown you. And inside seller dashboard, you have to see this is the manage post, okay, which we didn't do. Create post, see here, okay, and something like this, you will get something like this. Okay, so I think I didn't do that. I just shown you overview, but no worry, I'm just going to do that right now, and later we will just leave this. Okay, guys. So you should understand this one, and this is the dashboard, and this is the EverZP, I think. Okay, for this they told access seller dashboard. So I'm just going to try this one. This is the manage post. I'm just going to click this one, and from here you will be able to do some bloggings and all these things. You can put some blogs on your websites also. Okay, so create post title. Title is Ferrari. Okay, you can just post Ferrari is competitor of Lambo, something like this. Okay, you can just do all these things, and choose file. Okay, I should do this, because if I put something good perfect, so that it will appear good, otherwise it will not appear good. Okay, so let's see, I put Ferrari, and I think I did all these things. SEO title, okay, meta keywords, meta description. This is SEO content, guys. Okay, so you will learn all these things inside, and I think I'm done all these things. So I'm just going to submit, but let me see, continue. Okay, so just going to submit, and let's see what will happen, where I can see this my post. I even don't know, but let's try this one again. Okay, so it's done. It's done. Uh, manage plans, user, post. So you can click on this, where I can see that my post. I'm just trying to find out that this is Ferrari. Edit option is okay, but I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for my blog, where I can see on my website. Okay, something like that. So webinar CTA option. So this is about setup homepage, guys. This is call to action button. You can just put here get started for free, which I already shown you before. Okay, when I opened that page, but let me try again once more, guys, because I forgot that and it is taking much time. But let me try again, and if I will not be able, we will just leave this one, because it will take too much time. Configure product domain, I think we were here. No, we were not here. Just trying each and every options. Okay, this was that, which I already shown you, and just let it load. it will be load and just we will see. So guys, this is the get started for free button. So where you will be able to make some changes here directly from this navigations, I think, or set up home pages. So that's how you have to understand. I'm just showing you post thing. Actually, I came here to show you blog post, but too much options are here. So no worry, we will find each and everything. And as soon as possible, we will just finish this. See guys, get started for free. Okay, so here you can see this button. That's how you have to just play around with this. Choose files, Zextra. Okay, you can just see this Zextra here. Okay guys, something like this. You have to create all these things. And where is my other things? Actually guys, it's too much deep product guys. Okay, it's too much difficult to understand directly in one go. It will take a little bit time, but no worry, you will be perfect after taking tutorials training inside this. Okay guys, see how much, how bottom and how long it is going. Okay, see these things also you can put, and also you can remove this also. You can put some your FAQs also if you want to show your answers directly to your customers. So you can just directly put all these things. Everything is in your control guys. Okay, here. Okay, you have to just do these things. What is this? See, 7-day free trial is included. Cancel anytime. Pricing plan to suit everything. See, note user plan, each and everything guys. Okay, here. Here are your FAQs guys. See, is extra a paid membership? You can just see here where is that FAQs. Let me show you. See, is extra paid a membership? So that type of FAQs you can just put directly from here. See, edit. You can just create your own question. You can just put your own answer. So people will get your all things here. Okay, you can just put your membership plan also. Where was it is? Okay, here it is, I think. Okay, so you can just edit and you can do so much things. Okay, I'm not going much deeper with this. Okay, all these things you have to do. Okay guys, you can just edit all these things, add product, white label, correct payments, all these options you are going to get on your page. Okay, that's how it will work. Okay guys, so I'm done from my side. Okay, I should leave right now because it will take too much time, and this is not a little bit product, this is long product. Okay, you will get each and everything inside this. Okay, I hope I provided you good value because I tried to do and show you each and everything guys. Now later the decision is your, and you have to decide what you have to do. So guys, this is sales page, main page. Even if, okay, you have to just go through the link below. You will come on this my page where I mentioned all the information. And if you click any yellow button on my page, okay, this is my page. And if you click any yellow button on this page, you will come here, and here you will get more information. And from here you have to just take action. Okay guys, this is only $17 price right now. I don't know what is the price right now actually, but two options are available. I already told you which is. Okay, what are the options. Okay guys, so I'm done from my side. We will meet with another masterpiece another time. Till then, bye guys.